Hello everyone, today we continue our tutorial about infinite ocean. For the last part, we know that we are about to spawn the plan for the ocean and we can find the location of the plan. And now we have to figure out which plan that the player character is stepping on. To find the location, we need two conditions. First is y and the second is x. For plan that have index 4 is the center of this square. If y less than minus plan size divided by 2, the plan is on the left side. It has 0, 3 and 6. If it's greater than plan size divided by 2, it is 2, 5 or 8. And if these two conditions is false, we get the middle row. And using the next condition, we can find the plan that the character is stepping on. Example, if the character is stepping on index 6, y is less than minus plan size divided by 2 and x is greater than plan size divided by 2. Now open Ocean Manager Blueprint. On event tick, get stop variable, create a branch, get player pound, and call is valid. Connect file to execute. From get player pound, get actor location, break the vector, get our plan size, and create new variable. Name it float value. Select variable type to float. Get float value, compile it, and set float value to 0.5. Get plan size, multiply it with float value. Get plan array. Then get a copy. For integer, set it to 4 because it's the center of the plan. And get actor location. Break the vector. For our plan size result, add it with the x value and compare it with x location of the player greater than. Create a branch and is valid. Plan size multiply with float value. We multiply it with -1 to create the negative value. Add it with the x value. Then compare it with x value of the actor location. Create a branch and connect 4 to the branch. Copy this node and paste it under. Get the y value of the center plan. Add it with the plan size multiplied by plan value. Get y, then add it with the negative value. Then compare it with y. Create the branch. If it's true, we connect true to the branch, and if it's false, we compare with the negative value of the y. and copy this and compare it the same another branch. Get y, connect it, and again we compare it with the fail condition. Y value of the actor location compare with y value of the center plane, and y value of the actor location compare with y value of the negative center plane. Create new variable, name it numPlane. Set the variable to integer, and if it's all true, this two condition is true, set numPlane to 8, then set numPlane to 6, fail, set it to 7, then 5, 3, 4, 2, 0. The last one is 1. Create new variable, rename it to current plane, get numPlane, and create not equal function, get current plane and connect it to the value. Create a branch, connect all the node to the branch. If it's true, set the stop to true. Then create a custom event. Call it set current location. Then call this set current location event. On set current location custom event, get numPlane, then set it to current plane, get plane array. For each loop, array element is it valid, and if it's valid, we call set color empty, get the plane array, then get a copy, get our current plane, and get actor location. Create new variable, name it current location, set variable type to vector, then set current location. When the loop is complete, set the actor location to current location, get plane, get a copy, and set the integer to 4, and get actor location. Create new variable, rename it to center location, set center location with the plane that have index 4, create a new custom event, name it destroy table. After we set the center location, we call destroy table event. First, the character stay at the center of the plan index 4. Then when the character move to the index 7, we destroy index 0, 1, and 2. We spawn the plan on index 6, 7, and 8 by using the 7 as the center, and we get this array. After that, we will rearrange the index of the table. Another example, when the character move to index 8, we destroy the plan that have index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 6, and we create the plan 2, 5, 8, 7, and 6. And then we rearrange this table index, and with every condition, we create these two array, that which plan that we have to destroy and which plan that we have to spawn. Add new variable, name it to delete table, set variable type to string and make it array. Compile, add element index row, set it to 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Index 1, set it to 6, 7, 8. Index 2, set it to 0, 3, 6, 7, 8. Index 3, set it to 2, 5, 8. Index 4, keep it empty. Index 5, set it to 0, 3, 6. Index 6, set it to 0, 1, 2, 5, 8. Index 7, set it to 0, 1, 2. Index 8, set it to 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. We set it as string because we can create array inside the array for the blueprint. So to avoid using C++, we can store the number as the string. Add new variable, name it create table. Compile, add array element, index 0, set it to 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. Index 1, set it to 0, 1, 2. Index 2, set it to 0, 1, 2, 5, 8. Index 3, set it to 0, 3, 6. Index 4, set it to empty. Index 5, set it to 2, 5, 8. Index 6, set it to 0, 3, 6, 7, 8. Index 7, set it to 6, 7, 8. Index 8, set it to 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on destroy table custom event, get delete table, get array element, get a copy, get current plan, and find the length of the string, minus it by 1. Add new variable, name it numString. Set variable type to integer and single. Set the numString, get delete table, get a copy, get current plan. Create new variable, name it string temp. Set variable type to string, then set it to string temp. Get string temp, call get substring, get numString, connect it to start index and length is 1. Get plan, call get a copy of the element, connect the string value to the integer value, and call is valid. Is it valid? We destroy the actor. Get numString, decrement int, and if it's not valid, we connect it to decrement int. Get numString, less than 0. Then create a branch. If it falls, we loop back to the isValid function. Create a new custom event. Name it spawn table. And if it's true, we call spawn table event. I'm really sorry for the mistake for event tick. For our condition, one is greater and one is less than. Greater and less than. This one should be less than. And this is the right condition. For our ocean material, I forget to convert it to parameter for the color. Name it color. And go to ocean blueprint. At begin play. Create dynamic material instance and choose ocean material. Connect it. For the return value, connect it to material instance and delete this create material instance from static mesh. Thank you very much. Let's continue. For spawn table custom event, get create table array, get a copy, then get current plan, get the length of the string, minus it by 1, then set name string, get create table array, get a copy, get current plan, then set string temp, get string temp, call get substring, get name string, connect it to start index, get ocean plan map, call find function, connect the string to integer. For the vector, we get plan size, multiply it, convert pin to vector, connect vector location to multiply the plan size, get current location, add it with the plan location, call spawn actor from class. For class, call blueprint ocean, split the spawn transform, connect the location to transform location, then get the plan, add it to the array. For the ocean blueprint, get name string, decrement integer, get name string less than 0, create a branch. If it falls, we loop back to the spawn actor. Then create a new custom event, name it remap table. If it's true, call remap table. Get plan array, call for each loop. For array element, check that is it valid. If it is not valid, we get the plan, then remove it from the index. Connect array index to the integer. Get plan, click on the plan variable, then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Rename it to old plan. Set plan to the old plan. When we complete the loop, get old plan and call for each loop function. Go to event tick, then copy our condition that we show the plan index, paste it, connect the loop to is valid. Switch the player pawn to our array element. For plan index 4, we change it to the current location. Connect it to the break vector. Then delete it. Get the plan array. Set array element. Connect it to the condition. And for all the condition, we have to connect it one by one. There are 9 plans that we need to spawn. So we have to set the index 9 time too. Get our array element. Add reroute node. So it's easier for us to connect it with the item. Connect the node to set array item. All of it. For index, the first one set it to 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 4, 2, 0, and 1. When the loop is complete, we get ocean back. Set actor location. Connect the complete to the actor location. Then get player pawn. Get actor location. Break it. Make vector. Connect x to x, y to y, and z minus 400. Connect the location to new location. Then set stop variable to false. Now when the character walks on the other plan, we can spawn more plan. And the background ocean, when the character move to other plan, will follow it. When we stop debug the plan, we no need to call the stop color empty in the set current location custom event. And the size of the ocean plan, we can set the scale to bigger ocean, example 100. Now it looks like the ocean is unlimited because we always spawn it ahead of the character. You can move to any direction as you like. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the future tutorial.